Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how you can check your MTN number, your MTN phone number. So firstly you enter your dialer. Secondly you dial star 123 hashtag. Then you select the MTN SIM you wish to check the phone number. So you wait for it to pend. So you can see a lot of options here, but we are working on account info, which is the first information there. So there you can also see a lot of options. So we are working with my number, which is the first option. There you go, your phone number is out. As easy as that.